To question 16, there's a chance you might make a tiny mistake here. Now, when you factorise, you're looking to get the highest number and the highest letter that go into both. Now here, the temptation might be just to take a number out or just take a letter out. So always start with a number first. So here, the highest number that goes into them both is 2. X is common in both also. So there's 2 things that we take out of the bracket. In terms of getting back to the final answer, well, I've got my 2 already, and I want to get 4, so it's got to be 2. I've got my x, I want x squared, that's got to be x, that part's done. I've got 2, I want to get to 6, well, that's got to be 3. I've got x, I want to get xy, so pop a y in. Now don't stop there, check your answer is correct, so go back, expand it, and double check you get back to this answer. And if you don't, you've made a mistake. If you have, great, move on. Part B, you've got to factorise a quadratic. Now, I know for a fact that straight away, you know that it's x at the start of both brackets. You're looking for 2 numbers that multiply to give you -6, but it's got to add to give you 5 overall. So think about the factors of 6. You're only going to get 6 by doing 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. Which one there is the most likely? Now, if you have a bit of a play about with it, you'll end up noticing that it's got to be 6 and it's got to be 1. It must be positive overall, so the bigger number has to be positive, the smaller one negative. And again, go back and check that question right. So if this is right, when you expand it, you should get back to this answer. So double check. That's going to give you x squared. It's going to give you -6. That's going to give you +6x minus 1x, and that's 5x. So yeah, again, we've checked it. It definitely works.